Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to remove replies on X. First of all, let's open X application on my device, and then I have to tap profile picture in the top left corner of my screen, and then I want to go to my profile. And as you can see, my profile is divided into several sections such as posts, replies, highlights, etc. You need to go to Replies tab. This is the tab where you will see all your replies, and in order to remove some kind of reply, you want to tap three-dot button next to it and find a button that says delete post. So press it and confirm your decision by tapping delete button. So that's how we can remove replies on X. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.